How to combine photos together on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Shortcuts application on your device. If you do not have Shortcuts, then you can easily download it from your App Store since it is the built-in application of Apple. Now, once you have opened Shortcuts, tap on the plus icon on the top right of your screen and further tap on the new shortcut drop down you see there, and in the menu that appears tap on the rename option and further rename your shortcut. Once renamed, go ahead and tap on the search actions option you see there, and now in the search bar search for select photos and tap on the select photos option you see there. Further, tap on the arrow icon you see there right beside select photos and then select the select multiple toggle button on. Once you have enabled select multiple toggle button, go back and now tap on the search action option again and type in combine images option you see there. Now, tap on the photos horizontally option you see there and further go ahead and select any other type if you want. Once done, tap on search action again and finally type in save to photos option you see there and then select the album where you want to save the photos. Once done, tap on the done option on the top right of your screen and with this your automation will be saved. Tap on the automation and then tap on the automation name on top and a drop-down menu will appear. You will see the option for add to home screen, so go ahead and tap on the add to home screen option and now go back to your home screen and tap on the combine option or combine automation you see there, and further you will be required to choose photos for your collage. So go ahead and choose the photos that you want to add together, and once done, tap on the add option on the top right of your screen, and with this the combine will be created and saved in your camera roll. So this is how you can combine photos together on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.